Imagine buying a computer today and realizing 5 years from now, it is still faster than 90% of the machines on the market. Imagine a device so incredibly small it fits in the palm of your hand, yet it possesses the raw computing power of a massive, power-hungry desktop tower. For years, we thought we reached the peak of compact computing. We thought the transition to Apple Silicon had given us everything we could ever ask for. But we were wrong. Dead wrong. Right now, behind the closed, highly guarded doors of Cupertino, Apple is preparing to release something that will not just upgrade their lineup, but completely rewrite the rules of what a mini computer can do. This is the Apple Mac Mini M5. In this video, we are going to expose absolutely everything about it. From the mind-bending architectural shifts of the M5 chip to the hidden design overhauls, the pricing strategies Apple doesn't want you to decode, and the exact reasons why buying any computer right now might be the biggest financial mistake of your year. If you think this is just another minor spec bump, you are about to be severely mistaken. Stick around, because by the end of this, you will see exactly why the tech industry is quietly panicking. To truly understand why the Mac Mini M5 is causing such a massive stir, we have to look at the heart of the machine, the M5 silicon itself. When Apple first introduced the M-series chips, they shocked the world. But lately, competitors like Qualcomm, Intel, and AMD have been desperately clawing their way back, attempting to match Apple's efficiency and power. Apple knows this, and their response with the M5 isn't just a step forward, it is a defensive masterstroke. The M5 chip is built on an entirely new, ultra-refined, high-density manufacturing process. We are talking about sub-3 nanometer technology pushed to its absolute physical limits. What does that actually mean for you in the real world? It means billions of more transistors packed into a space smaller than a postage stamp. It means that the speed at which data travels inside this machine is practically instantaneous. But Apple didn't just make the chip smaller and faster. They completely redesigned the core architecture. In previous generations, we saw a standard split between performance cores and efficiency cores. With the M5, Apple is debuting a brand new type of core designed specifically for sustained, heavy workloads without generating heat. This is a game changer for video editors, 3D artists, and software developers who have traditionally had to listen to screaming fans or suffer from thermal throttling. The Mac Mini M5 is engineered to run dead silent, even when you are pushing it to its absolute limits, rendering complex projects or compiling massive databases. But speed is only half the story. The real secret weapon of the M5 chip is its revolutionary neural engine. We live in an era where artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword. It is integrated into every single application we use daily. Whether you are using smart masking in Lightroom, upscaling video in Topaz, or running local large language models directly on your machine, you need a processor that can handle AI tasks locally, securely, and instantly. The M5's neural engine is rumored to be an absolute monster, capable of performing tens of trillions of operations per second. This isn't just about making your apps load faster. This is about enabling features that were previously impossible on a consumer-grade desktop. Imagine real-time, on-device video translation, automated video editing where the AI cuts